Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest products. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Lucky Leaf Organza Derby Church Hat for women. The best high tea hat you'll ever need for your next special occasion. Whether you're attending a wedding, a tea party, or just enjoying a day at the races, this stunning hat is sure to make you stand out with elegance and charm. Let's start with the design. The Lucky Leaf Derby hat boasts a wide brim that is perfect for blocking out the sun while giving you that classy and sophisticated look. The organza fabric, combined with a delicate floral pattern, creates a luxurious and airy feel. It's lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods, yet it still has the structure to maintain its shape, even on windy days. The hat is crafted from 100% polyester, which not only ensures its durability but also makes it easy to care for. The material is smooth, soft, and gentle on the skin, adding to the overall comfort of wearing it for hours. One of the key features is the J-clip closure, which ensures a secure fit for most head sizes, allowing you to wear the hat confidently without worrying about it slipping off. Now, if you're someone who loves attending high-tea events or fancy occasions, this hat is designed with you in mind. It's the ideal accessory for creating a refined and polished look. The white color is not only timeless but also versatile, pairing effortlessly with a variety of outfits. Whether you're wearing a formal dress or something a bit more casual, this hat will elevate your look instantly. The Lucky Leaf Organza Derby Church Hat is perfect for a variety of occasions. From bridal showers to weddings, tea parties, and church services, it adds that extra touch of class to any ensemble. You can wear it to Kentucky Derby parties or any event that calls for a bit of flair and sophistication. The wide brim not only adds to its charm but also provides protection from the sun, making it a practical accessory, especially for outdoor events. In terms of maintenance, the hat is easy to clean with a simple hand wash, ensuring that it stays looking fresh and beautiful for many events to come. Whether you're new to wearing derby hats or you're a seasoned enthusiast, the Lucky Leaf Organza Derby Church Hat is a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch of elegance to their wardrobe. To wrap things up, if you're searching for a high tea hat that combines style, comfort, and durability, this is the one for you. The Lucky Leaf Organza Derby Church Hat is the ultimate accessory for any woman looking to make a statement at her next special occasion. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips on how to enhance your fashion game. See you in the next video.